What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a fun video because I am doing a challenge. This video is also in collaboration with Pamela Whiting, is what she's known for on YouTube, and Pam Cakes Makeup on Instagram. So this is my very good friend Pam, and we decided to do the opposite hands challenge today. So I'll link her information down below along with the link to her video as well. So basically what I'm going to do is my full face of makeup using my left hands only. I'm not sure if this video will be longer than what you're used to from me just because it's gonna be a struggle. So if you want to see how my look turned out, then you can go ahead and keep on watching. So I'm going to start off by priming my face, and I'm using the Fenty Beauty Instant Retouch Primer. So I usually just put this all over my face and then spread it everywhere. I have to remind myself to use my left hand only because using my right hand is obviously second nature. So let's go ahead and get this baby done. Remember, in order to prevent wrinkles, you go up and out. Next up is my eyebrows, and I'm going to be using the Benefit Goof Proof Brow Pencil. I use the shade number 5. So I've been liking the sort of bushy... I've been liking the bushy brow sort of look, partially because I'm lazy and also because I'm growing out my eyebrows. I've been using castor oil on them and I feel like it's working. So I want to get like a full good amount of hair, and then I'll start tweezing. Right now, I haven't done jack to my eyebrows. Alright, so I don't really like to touch the front just because I feel like I have a good amount of hair there. And I've just been usually just filling in the tail part of my brow. Oh, this feels so weird. This is where it's gonna get tough. I like to use a sort of light hand, but for this eyebrow and this hand, it's so heavy. Oh, why can't I brush? Oh my god. Okay. I'm just gonna try to go lightly in the front. I feel like I'm not even blinking. We are going to prime the eyelids for my eyeshadow, and I'm going in with the Soft Ochre MAC Paint Pot. And I just like to messily put this all over my lid. So for today's video, I'm going to be using the Naked 3 palette, which is a lovely, beautiful, rosy, mauve-y sort of palette. I'm going to go ahead and go in with the first color in the palette, which is Strange, and apply that all over my lid. I don't even know how to grab onto the brush. Look at that color payoff. See, the struggle is when I have to use this hand to do this eye. Oh, I can just see the struggle now. Oh my god, no. That first brush that I used was just a Tarte shading brush, but of a small one too. The next brush is a tapered blending brush, an E40 from Sigma. It's just a nice sort of fluffy brush. I'm going to use that brush and go into the color Limit and put that all over my lid. I mean, I'm allowed to still show you the colors with my right hand, right? Putting this all over my crease. I'm going to build that color up with Nooner. But for that color, I'm going to go in with a firm blender brush, the E44 from Sigma, which is a little bit tapered and much more sturdier. I feel like because this is more of a sort of sturdier brush, I have more control over where I'm putting the eyeshadow, even though it's my opposite hand. And I feel like it's sort of the way that it's shaped, it just fits right into the crease like so well. Just gonna go ahead and deepen up the outer V with the shade Factory. Same brush. Going back in with that Tarte shading brush, I'm gonna go into the color Buzz and put that color all over my lid. Can y'all tell me if I make like this many faces when I do my makeup with my right hand? I'm going to use this small firm shading brush. I'm going to go ahead and put dust in my inner corner. It's not really the brush that you use. It should be like a pencil brush, but at this point, I don't know where the other brush is. Okay. I want to recreate this look with my right hand just to see the true potential of what it could be. Alright, so the next step is foundation. I'm going in with the Fenty Beauty foundation. I am in the shade 240. Oh my god, this looks horrible. I'm sorry, Rihanna. I am not doing your product justice. It's so weird. Oh my god. I want to use my right hand so bad for this. Oh, I just went over my eyebrow. Oh my god, this looks like a freaking disaster. Look at this crap. Dig into your inner Bob Ross and trees. Now I'm going to go in with Shape Tape Concealer. I am in the color, well, the color I use is light neutral. So I'm going to apply some in my usual places. Well, that's a lot of coverage. You know what, Pam? This was a bad idea. I think this will probably be the first and the last challenge that I do on my page. I'm going to go back into Limit and Nooner. These two colors right here. And I'm going to put that into the lower lash line. Now for the really fun part. I am going to do eyeliner. I figured Pam was going to be doing eyeliner, not like a wing or anything, but just like putting it on her eye. So I'm going to step up to the plate and do it as well. And we're going to be using the Kat Von D waterproof liquid eyeliner in the color Trooper. Looks like this. Oh, that was just beautiful. I legit was just holding my breath just now. Woo! Not sure if to go this way or connect it. Oh, okay, alright. Nope. I'm so nervous. fudge, I already ruined it. And now to finish the eye look, I'm going to go in with the Maybelline Colossal Big Shot Mascara. Oh, y'all see that? It happens to the best of us during these challenges. I'm quickly running the lower lash line. And now to finish up my face and put a little bit of color back into it, I'm going in with the Sephora Snow Glow face palette, and this is what it looks like. Have this little round sort of contour, I think. Oh, it's a multitask cheek brush from Real Technique. And just go. And if you're wondering, I'm just letting the nose decoration dry up a little bit more so I can just clean it up easier instead of smudging it all over. I'm gonna go into that blush shade as well. Gives you a little bit of color. I'm not a big fan of blush, so this is actually perfect for me. And now to finish off this perfection, I'm gonna go and highlight with the Becca mini highlighter in the color Opal. Look at this baby. Just look at it. I'm using the ColourPop small fluffy brush. Oh my god, I forgot lipstick. And now to really complete the look, I'm gonna go in with Jeffree Star's Thick as Thieves lipstick. And this is a nice sort of mauvey nude, I guess. Or mauve, deeper mauve. Yes! I messed it up. Why did I go ahead and turn that lipstick? And that is it. That is the final look, and I did it. Didn't turn out too bad, although there's some patches around my eyes that do not have foundation. The final look from far looks pretty decent, minus the eyeliner, which I can't even do with my dominant hand, so I mean I should get a pass for that in general. I'll think about doing other challenges on my channel. I mean, I feel like this was a good one to start off with. Not bad. I want to thank Pam for doing this challenge with me. Again, please go ahead and subscribe to her channel and mine as well so that you can spread our love for makeup. Sorry, Pam. I had to. And we'll see you guys in our next videos. Bye, guys.